Getting this generator all buttoned up. The emission hose is broken, and it's one of those hoses that has a 90-degree bend in it, and of course it just breaks up and everything else. So yeah, I'm watching G-Chai. But anyways, this is what I'm doing. 3/8 fuel hose, and then I got a 3/8 metal line inside of it. So there's my 90-degree hose. It's crude but effective, but it works. The cord on this I couldn't find. It's hard to find. I say I couldn't, but it's hard to find a black and red pull cord. So this is actually paracord. So, and this is just an aftermarket handle. Got that going. I like clear filters. I don't like these. You really can't see what's inside, so got rid of that. Put this on. New gaskets, rebuilt the carb. Found the seal in the slow jet. There's a little O-ring. It's very, very small. When they push the slow jet in, the O-ring curled over and it broke, so I had to replace that. And of course a new spark plug. So I also recoiled the clock spring and oiled it. So that's it. It's ready to go. All right.